Yes, snacking, don't be worried. It's not only a thing which is affecting you, it's also affecting me. So it's almost impossible to avoid, but at least we have a chance to pick either unhealthy stuff or more healthy stuff. And so here we have this huge variety of really nice, tasty snacks, and they are not only tasty, they say all natural, freeze-dried with 0 additives. That's absolutely awesome. No unwanted additives, no added sugars, no added oils, just pure natural freeze-dried. Of course, the fruits still have some natural sugar, but they also have some natural vitamins, minerals, also some natural fibers which can help with the digestion, and they are absolutely awesome tasting. Yeah, watch this thing here, banana. Yeah, it doesn't get any better than that. Pure natural taste. I really love this stuff here. So many nice things. Super easy, almost too much of a choice. And watch how nice these apple pieces look like, almost like 100% real apple pieces, but super easy to bite off. Absolutely amazing. Of course, I could also eat the whole piece, but it's almost too much. Yeah, absolutely amazing. Yeah, watch this pineapple here. I mean, I can't show you everything, but pineapple also something I really like. And watch these pieces. They look like real natural pieces. They absolutely look like the original natural pineapple pieces, just freeze-dried, and also much easier to eat and hold. You don't have to be worried about creating a mess or so. Yeah, this is as good as it gets. And despite the freeze-drying effect, it still tastes pretty much like 100% the original fruits. I've tried now so many of them, and actually none of them have been disappointing, and we can easily open, easy close to make sure that even next day or next week they are still in perfect condition, so we don't have to eat everything at once. So in total we get 12 packs, 2 of each: banana, mango, pineapple, mangosteen, apple and dragon fruit. And I really love the taste of everything, while my wife found the banana a little bit on the sweet side, but she also loves the other 5 variations. And so we are picking some every day now. Absolutely awesome. We have a lot of fun with them. I only wish they came a little bit at a lower price. Other than that, really nothing to complain. It's a really fun experience. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order a set for you if you like. Could be also a really nice gift, nice surprise for somebody who loves rather healthy snacking. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this Yunice freeze-dried fruit set, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.